Alexa, show me a recipe for meatballs.
Okay, for meatballs, here's a few recipes. If you want to see more, say next.
Alexa, next. Alexa, show me the ingredients.
Here are the ingredients.
Alexa, add Parmesan cheese to the shopping list.
I've put Parmesan cheese on your shopping list.
Alexa, start a pasta timer for 10 minutes.
Pasta timer, 10 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, drop in on the girls' bedroom echo. Girls, it's time for dinner.
We'll be right there.
And always know who's at your front door. Just say, Alexa, show me the front door. Alexa, read me an audiobook.
Getting your selection from Audible, resuming crushing it.
Alexa, turn the thermostat in the family room down to 72 degrees.
The AC is set to 72.
Alexa, good night.
Have a good night.